Nearly a decade since work began in Hancock County to replace the aging juvenile court building. John Monk has details on why the work's needed and what's being planned.
For decades, the Hancock County Probate and Juvenile Court has operated inside of this historic church building in downtown Findlay. And since 2014, county leaders have been aware that these facilities were no longer working for what the court needed.
The courtroom is extremely small, so in a children's services case, I have about 7 attorneys in there, and the clients are not able to sit next to their attorneys for their hearing, which is not good.
Along with cramped, aging workspace, the older facility also doesn't meet safety expectations for a modern courtroom.
People running from the court and almost hitting kids as they're waiting to be adopted.
Which is why just before the pandemic, Hancock County commissioners wanted to build a brand new court building. Since then, the project has grown into a new 3-story building that would house both juvenile and adult probate courts. With final financial approval late last month, the building will be constructed just west of the current court building on a county-owned parking lot.
The building has grown some in scope, and also the cost of materials and labor have gone up, so that's a part of the reason why we're at the $21.9 million.
The final hurdle before Judge Johnson signed off on the design was to make sure that no juveniles in the building would need to cross paths with adults attending probation hearings.
Once they're in their appointments, they'll be heading out of the building through side exits, so they won't even be cross-traffic when they come back.
Commissioners are hopeful they can secure the remainder of that $21.9 million in funding to get construction for the new juvenile court building up and running by mid-summer. Reporting from Findlay, I'm John Monk, WTOL 11.